This is our Honda before the car wash. February 12th, 2019, Minnesota. We're gonna take it for a car wash and see how it's gonna look like after. That's disastrous. It's really like bad. Look at that. Alright. So here we're at Quick Trip and we're gonna do the Elite car wash and see how the Honda will turn out.
We're sorry, your card could not be read. Please swipe your card again or try another form of payment. Would you like a receipt?
Yeah.
Please wait while we authorize your transaction. Please select. Thank you. You have selected the Elite car wash.
Alright, we're going in.
The wash is ready.
We're going in. Alright, we'll let you know how it looks afterwards with all the mountain. Should we record that?
I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see. The bottom first.
Why is somebody going to want to see that?
The window is cracked open. I'm glad I checked everything. And now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Here we go. I mean, it will cost me a lot of time and effort to clean this thing. And for $6.99, all the snow that was on top
It costs
is gonna go down. Yeah, it's $11.99, but if you buy like the card, you get it for $6.99.
That's a deal.
Yeah, my wife thinks that's too much still. Here we got the rainbow colors.
Don't get me on the video, please.
Yes, ma'am. Look, it's melting. Look at that. Look at the snow melting.
It's crazy. How is it even going
Well, the brushes. The brushes will do the job.
Oh.
See? Look at that. It's crazy. Most of the snow is gone. There's still some.
Doesn't go that way?
There's still some. Ah, here we go. Alright, I'm trying to kick it off to the side.
Should have gone on the highway.
Huh?
Should have gone speeding on the highway because of the snow.
My wife thinks I should have went speeding on the highway first. Okay. So far, if we look at the sunroof, we see that there's still a lot of snow. But I think once here we go. I'm gonna go like this. Here we go. This would help. Here we go. I know. Here we go. Look how the snow is going. Look at that. Do you hear that? That's crazy. I had to go back and forth because there's so much snow. It's not even funny. Look, it's coming. It's coming out. See that? Alright, I'm gonna keep going now because I have to. There's not much time left. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now it's time to check. Let's see, was it worth it or was it not worth it? Here we go.
It's cheaper.
Huh? Okay, good. All right, so I'm gonna check out here quick and see how it looks after the wash. Well, that's the car wash afterwards. Look, the top, so much better. I would say about 90% gone. I mean, there was so much. I would say that was well worth it. It was worth the $6.50. Otherwise, it was crazy. See, nice and clean the front. Yeah, not too bad. Not bad. All right, thank you guys.